How to fix PayPal send again feature not available. So if the send again feature is missing or unavailable in your PayPal mobile app, it is usually caused by an outdated app, a temporary software glitch, or security restrictions tied to that specific past transactions. Now to fix this issue, the first thing what you can do is check for the updates. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the PayPal app, and if you see an update button available right here, instead of open, tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next what you can do is, if you are on iOS device, go to your settings, go to general, then tap iPhone storage. Now find PayPal from the list or tap on the search bar at the bottom and then search for PayPal. Now tap upload app. Now to confirm, tap upload app one more time. Once you do that, you'll see the install app button right here. Simply tap on it or go to your app store, find the PayPal app and reinstall it from there. Now the next what you can do is log out and then log back in. Just refresh your session by signing out of your account and then logging back in. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.